Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, how are you and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this beautiful large bag using the modified spike stitches. This bag is so beautiful and is suitable for formal or casual events. This is the result. Well everyone, if you are ready, let's get started. This is the bottom part of bag I shared with you previously. I will use it as the base of this large bag. It starts with 96 foundation chains, 23 rows of single crochet, 1 round of back loop single crochet and 1 round of normal single crochet. This bottom part is made of the multiple of 2, so the base stitches are 240 in total. Now I'm gonna make the modified spike stitches for the body of this large bag. These modified spike stitches are made of a single crochet followed by combination of incomplete single and half double crochet. Firstly, I make a single crochet, then a combination of incomplete single crochet and half double crochet on the next lower stitch. There are 4 loops in the hook. Yarn over pull it through first 3 loops, yarn over pull it through 2 last loop. Back 2, 1 single crochet on the next stitch, then a combination of incomplete single crochet and half double crochet on the next lower stitch. Yarn over pull it through first 3 loops, yarn over pull it through 2 last loop. Back 2, 1 single crochet on the next 1 stitch, followed by a combination of a complete single crochet and half double crochet on the next lower stitch. There are 4 loops in the hook, yarn over pull it through first 3 loops, yarn over pull it through 2 last loop. Back 2, 1 single crochet on the next 1 stitch, a combination of incomplete single crochet and half double crochet on the next lower stitch. I'm getting closer to the beginning point. 1 single crochet, then a combination of incomplete single crochet and half double crochet on the next lower stitch. I like to let you know that this pattern is made spirally, so there is no beginning or ending point of each row. For that, I will skip the beginning point by continually making the main pattern. Now I'm making the combinations of incomplete single crochet and half double crochet. I'm entering row 2, but there is no ending point in here, so I will directly make 1 single crochet on the next 1 stitch. Followed by a combination of incomplete single and half double crochet on the next lower stitch. There are 4 loops on the hook, yarn over pull it through first 3 loops, yarn over pull it through 2 last loops. 1 single crochet on the next 1 stitch, and a combination of incomplete single and half double crochet on the next lower stitch. Yarn over pull it through first 3 loops, yarn over pull it through 2 last loops. 1 single crochet on the next 1 stitch, a combination of incomplete single and half double crochet on the next lower stitch. Back to 1 single crochet on the next 1 stitch, followed by a combination of incomplete single and half double crochet on the next lower stitch. 1 single crochet on the next 1 stitch, followed by a combination of incomplete single and half double crochet on the next lower stitch. Yarn over, pull it through first 3 loops, yarn over, pull it through last 2 loops. 1 single crochet. On the next 1 stitch, I'm entering a row 3. Just like before, there is no any point in there, so I will directly make the next stitches. It's time to make 1 single crochet on the next 1 stitch, followed by a combination of incomplete single and half double crochet on the next lower stitch. Repeat these actions over and over again to complete each row and make it until you get the height you desire. I've just reached the height I desire. Now I'm working on the last row of the main pattern. This would be the last combinations of incomplete single and half double crochet, and this one is the last single crochet of the main pattern. Done. I will show you the results. Here it is. It's so neat and beautiful, and I'm honestly so proud of these results. Now I'll show you how to end this project. For this one, I'm gonna make some round up single crochet, just like the body of this bag or the main pattern of this bag. This single crochet also made spirally, so there is no beginning or ending point of each row. This is the first row. I will make 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. I will tell you when I approach in the second row or the row 2. I'm approaching the row 2 now. This would be the last 2 single crochet for the row 1, and now I'm entering the row 2. This is the starting points of the row 2, but there is no starting point at all. So I will directly make 1 single crochet in each of the next stitches without making slip stitch. This is because I'm making the spiral single crochet. I will do the same on the next row, and I will make as much as 7 rows of single crochet to complete this project. This is the 7th or the last row of the spiral single crochet of this large bag. This will be my last single crochet. Then I will cut the yarn and hide this yarn tail. I also checked the measurements of this bag in order to determine the correct position of its handle. This bag says 39 centimeters in width, so I will divide this 39 by 3. This means that the distance between the handle with the left side of this bag are 13 centimeters. Likewise, the distance between the handles with the right sides of this bag are also 13 centimeters. I put 4 stitch markers to mark the positions of the handle of this bag. I have made the handle of this bag using reversible single crochet. The left position of this handle is after the stitch marker. In contrary, the right position of this handle is before the stitch marker. I sew the handle on the back using chain stitches like this. And I use a tapestry needle to hide this yarn tail. It's ready now, and this is what it looks like. Don't forget to put decorative embellishment on it to make it look much prettier. Well everyone, the bag is ready and this is the result. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have something to say about it, do leave your comments below and I would be very happy to respond. See you again on the next project. Have a good day and happy crochet!